Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I share videos on cakes, cake business, food, how to cook. I also share videos about the food business. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In this video I'll be telling you about my new book, Bake Like a Pro. This ebook is for beginner bakers. If you're wondering how to start out the cake business, how you can take the first step, what cakes are all about, this book is for you. It's also for other bakers too who want to improve on their baking skills or who are frustrated about their current cake results and frustrated about the kind of cakes they bake. So if you're wondering how you can get better in your cake journey, how you can bake better cakes, then this ebook is for you. I'll talk a little bit about myself. My name is Virtue Photo and I've been baking for more than 10 years. This ebook, I combine my wealth of experience and skill in a smooth batter and baked you this ebook. So I'll be reviewing and telling you about what this ebook is all about. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you want to be successful in baking, then you have to do the following. 1. Adhere to recipe instructions accurately. 2. Ensure that your measurements are accurate. 3. Ensure that your ingredients are at the right temperature. 4. Ensure that you're following the baking procedures accurately. 5. Make sure that you're using the right equipment. 6. Make sure your oven is at the right temperature. 7. Pay attention to details. 8. Eliminate errors as much as possible. These are some of the things you'll be finding in this ebook, Bake Like a Pro. So I'll also be telling you the different chapters covered in this ebook, Bake Like a Pro. The first chapter is about cakes and its origin, how cakes evolved, the first set of people who baked cakes, and how cakes have evolved over time. That's what I covered in the first chapter. The second chapter cover types of cakes, banana cake, butter cake, chocolate cakes. I also explained what differentiates these different kinds of cakes. There are also lovely pictures of these cakes in the ebook, Bake Like a Pro. In the third chapter, I covered the different methods of baking cakes. For instance, the creamy method. There are other methods involved when it comes to baking of cakes. The fourth chapter, I covered the basic cake equipment. If you're just starting out your cake journey and you want to know the first set of equipment to buy, then this book will tell you the equipment that you require when you're just starting out. The fifth chapter covered the chemistry of cakes. You'll be wondering, what is the chemistry of cake? Yes, cakes have chemistry. So in this section, I mentioned basic ingredients required in baking. I also mentioned the functions of these ingredients. When you actually know the functions of the ingredients used in baking, you will appreciate the process better. In the sixth chapter, I covered 15 tips that can make you bake like a pro. These tips will help you bake amazing cakes. For instance, baking at the right temperature and also having your ingredients at the right temperature. These and more also mentioned in the Bake Like a Pro ebook. In the seventh chapter, I covered common cake problems and their solutions. Most times bakers ask me questions like, why are my cakes so hard? Why are my cakes dense? Why are my cakes not fluffy? Some of these cake problems, I compiled them and also their solutions in this book. If you have challenges baking that dream cake you've always desired, then you consider buying this book, Bake Like a Pro. In the eighth chapter, I covered cake storage and preservation. Cakes tend to deteriorate with time. I explained the different ways you could actually preserve and store your cakes. Currently, the Bake Like a Pro ebook is on a 50% discount and you can get it from different countries of the world. The link is in the description box below. Give me a feedback of this book. I hope this review helped you know more about the book Bake Like a Pro. The link to the book is in the description box below. Thank you for watching.